just go where the wind will blow me, yeah. Well, I'm on my way, 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 I'm on my way.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get it loose. Crazy dog with too much time on a boat. Alright, Kizzle Island. Leaving Kizzle and heading to, I don't know what it's called, but we're calling it Flat Rock. The others are on their way and one's already there. There's no wind, so it might be a very lazy day. Schoolwork, crocheting by the look. Octopus to land! Really sandy bit. In preparation for our first overnight passage tomorrow.
Some snacks, tried
Snacks.
fruit, nuts,
Nuts.
chippies, more nuts, and some gluten-free bars. Or for the night to keep yourself awake.
So we're going from here, which is near Gochek, a little bit south of Gochek, and we're doing a big long run through to Bodrum.
It's probably silly.
It's not. This is perfectly good. This is a good thing. So we're going from there, which is near Gochek and Petier, going around underneath there, Simi, around. We've got to go around up here because of the Greek and Turkish borders, right the way to the end, past Dacia and Nidos, and then up around Dogleg, again around the Greek and Turkish borders, right up to Bodrum. And we're all going to have a go on our watches. Luke is going to do the early
8 to
10 with whoever's up at that time, probably me. And then Mummy's going to do probably a bit later one because she's a night owl. And then I'll go to bed and then Mummy can watch the sun come up. Maybe not. See how everyone's feeling. But it's only one day, so it's not like, if it doesn't quite pan out with our watches, it's not the end of it. We'll just be a bit tired the next day. We're doing it with Imagine, who's just parked across there. And they will be within radio range. It's a 108 nautical miles. So not too far, not too long. So it's about a full 24 hours of sailing, maybe a little bit longer because we've got to go a bit into wind and we're predicting some very quiet wind. So yeah, really exciting. We're just getting Polly ready, making sure all the safety features are all sorted. I've just checked the navigation lights, the stern light, anchor and motor lights are all good. Some safety lines, harnesses, we have these things called jack lines here, which is these lines here, and they run all the way right to the bow. So at night time we have a rule that someone can go forward only when there's someone else up, and we've got to be clipped into the jack line. Yeah, you can never be too safe at night, and it's good rule to have. Beautiful start to the day. Imagine squared. And we got a sailing buddy for the next 24 hours. Beginning our first overnight passage. It's probably about 7:30 now. Sun's nearly up, and got very light breeze and a little bit of chop. But we're away and hoping to turn downwind and down swell soon. So hoping for a good passage. Unfortunately, the wind has died down and the sea state has evened off, so that's nice. But we've got a 10-mile run to the end of this waypoint, which is around the end of the peninsula. So we're motoring now, which is the only thing we can do. More plastic in the sea for now. It's got a motor, and we've made contact with 2 other yachts in our crew, in our Anzac team. Adventurous and Lost Jura are off to our starboard, a wee bit out of your shot, and we're probably just catching up to Imagine Squared, which is they did very well in the wind early this morning, but it's very light, and but it'll be quite nice tonight. Hopefully very quiet and uneventful evening, sailing through the night. The auto helm is doing a good job, gives us a wee break from steering.
Welcome, my friend, to the long white cloud. Aotearoa stars burning at you, strong and true.